Javed Abdi Foundation, JAF, which also stands for Journalism, Advocacy and Fun. Please subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, like, comment, and share.
Let's begin. Hello everyone. My name is Shamir Rashad. This is the third time I'm introducing myself in the past 3 weeks to all of you. Today, the session is on data and disability, and a few notes before we begin. And I always say this: that sign language interpretation is happening simultaneously. You can see the interpreters for today are Manisha and Ananta, and they'll be interpreting. So I'll request all the panelists to and the speakers to speak a bit slowly. Also, there are a lot of participants who are Hindi speaking. So if you can, then also हिंदी में मिक्स्ड बोलें थोड़ी करके. नहीं तो मैं भी कोशिश करूंगा. मेरी भी हिंदी इतनी दुरुस्त नहीं है, बट मैं पूरी कोशिश करूंगा कि मैं जो भी आप कह रहे हैं उसको थोड़ा समराइज वे में नोट्स बनाते बनाते कह दूं. The format will be obviously a panel discussion format, wherein the speakers will speak for 20 minutes each. Since Ankit sir has to leave a bit early today, so he'll be speaking first, and then we'll have a question answer session with him. So if you want to ask a question, please send it in the chat box. And with that, I think I will ask our first speaker today to speak. Harsh, I would like to pass the mic to you, and you can do your own introduction and tell us who you are. And yeah, over to you, Harsh.
Okay, thanks for the virtual mic. I'm Harsh. I'm an student. I'm a law student from Delhi. I've been interning with JAB for about 6 to 7 months, and over the course of my journey, I have done a lot of work. I've gathered data with them. I have done RTIs. I have even wrote some articles. So that is pretty. It's like pretty overwhelming for a first year student like me, क्योंकि मतलब इतना expect नहीं किया था आपसे इतनी like आपके law school की journey में. तो I'll be opening this session, and I'll use a quote from Stephen Hawking. So let me just get it. Okay, so this is what Stephen Hawking said. People with disabilities are vulnerable because of the many barriers we face. He's saying it in first person. The barriers he faces are attitudinal, physical, and financial. Addressing these barriers is within our reach, and we have a moral duty to do so. But most importantly, addressing these barriers will unlock the potential of so many people with so much to contribute to the world. Governments everywhere can no longer overlook the hundreds of millions of people with disabilities who are denied access to health, rehabilitation, support, education, and employment. We need data. We need data to make any policy or take any initiatives or to take any measure for the PWDs. The first thing we need is data. So data basically जो disabilities के empowerment में एक बहुत बड़ा role play करता है. So let's talk about data of disabilities in India. India में क्या है data का हाल? तो the first thing that comes to my mind when talking about data in India is census. तो census ने कैसा काम किया है? 2001 में पहला मेजर इन लोग ने इनिशिएटिव लिया था डिसेबल्ड का डेटा लेने में, जिसको बहुत क्रिटिसाइज किया गया था, बहुत उसके बारे में बुरा बोला गया था, क्योंकि जो सेंसस टेकर्स थे जिन लोग ने लिया था वो प्रॉपरली ट्रेड नहीं थे, उनको ट्रेनिंग मिली नहीं थी और उन लोग ने अच्छे से काम नहीं किया था. तो बहुत लाइक खराब आउटकम आया था का। फिर 2011 में दे ट्राइड कि हम बेटर काम करें, तो 2011 में दे डिड फाइन, मतलब उन्होंने ठीक किया। उन लोग ने काफी डेटा निकाला जितना हो सकता था। दे डिवाइडेड the whole people with disability into 7 categories, and उसके बेसिस पे उन लोग ने तब डेटा निकाला था। तब RPWD था, तो उन लोग ने इंस्टेड ऑफ द 21 कैटेगरीज दैट वी हैव करेंटली, उन लोग ने सिर्फ 7 कैटेगरीज में निकाला था। बट इस फिगर को भी जब देखा गया तो इसमें एक बहुत बड़ी एक फ्लॉ निकला, और ये तब पता चला जब WHO ने अपना खुद से सर्वे किया अबाउट हाउ मेनी डिसेबल्ड पीपल जो इंडिया में एग्जिस्ट करते हैं। और उनका कंक्लूजन ये था कि इंडिया में जो इंडिया के सेंसस ने निकाला था वो था 21 मिलियन, और जो WHO ने निकाला था वो था 80 मिलियन। तो ये जो डिफरेंस है डिसेबल्ड के नंबर्स में, ये बहुत बहुत it's a matter of worry. I mean, I'm not saying कि Indian government is wrong or the WHO is right, but still the difference that it's telling is very worrisome. And that's why I want to know from all the panelists that will be speaking later on ki how can we do this better in the census that will come next year? What should we do differently from last time so that the data is collected more efficiently? And because we know that without data we cannot empower the disabled, so how can it be done, and why do people with disabilities are not adequately represented in data? Like, what are the barriers, what are the problems that are coming जिससे डिसेबल्ड लोग आ ही नहीं पा रहे, जिससे हम पता ही नहीं लगा पा रहे कि इंडिया में है कितने डिसेबल्ड. So I want stuff like this to be discussed in the subsequent for the subsequent panelists. So that's it, and I'll hand out the virtual mic to the next panelist.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah.
Wonderful. So Harsh ने पूछा कि why disability is not represented very well in our data. I think I want to really start with that question first, and then of course build, go ahead on the presentation. So Harsh, I think इसके दो पहलू है. There are two perspectives to this, or two sides of this story. The first side is of how data instruments are formulated, how government machinery is trained on it, and how the enumerators, when they come for different data instruments, how basically do they ask the right question, are they willing enough to ask the questions. So एक तो ये पूरा मशीनरी है जहाँ पे आप एक तरह से बोल लो कि जो सप्लाई साइड इकोनॉमिक्स अगर हम बोले कि जहाँ से गवर्नमेंट किस तरह से इंस्ट्रूमेंट बना रही है, किस तरह से ट्रेन कर रही है और किस तरह से पूछा जा रहा है, वो एक पार्ट है. बट इसी का एक दूसरा इंपॉर्टेंट पहलू, द अदर साइड ऑफ द स्टोरी और द अदर साइड ऑफ द कॉइन इज हाउ वी एज इंडिविजुअल्स आर अवेयर and disclosing our disability. I think through this panel, before we, I really get deep dive into the data topic, I think it's important for all of us to be very comfortable with our own disability, the identity of disability, and speak out, represent yourself, make sure, say tomorrow when the census persons come to your home, even if you're not there, make sure your head of the family is informed about that your disability is captured and in the instrument. It's only through our awareness and our willingness when we come out and we identified, I think only then a part of the problem can be solved.
JAF is a youth-led initiative. We deeply appreciate the support of all our interns and volunteers. Thank you. You can follow us on Facebook at Javed Abdi Foundation, and you can tweet us at Rishad Shimir.